Hello and welcome back, guys. Today I'm going to be showing you how to perform calculations on a list in Python. Why would you want to know how to do this? Well, maybe you've got a data set in the form of a list and you need to perform a certain calculation on that list in order to return, say, another list with those calculations done on the items of your previous list. So I will be showing you how to perform calculations on a list in Python today. Check out the video description as I will try and leave written instructions there. So let's get started. I'm already in my notebook, in Jupyter Notebook, and I've just imported NumPy as NP. I'm not sure if we'll need it right now, but I usually like to do that import always. So I'm just going to quickly type up my list that we're going to be using to perform the calculations on today. It's just going to be a simple list of a few numbers. And there are quite a few, or at least two that I know of, two methods to do this. I'm going to be showing you one that is easy. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create an empty list Y, and this is the list where my calculated numbers or calculated items from my X list will go into. So I've just created my empty list Y, and now I'm going to create a for loop that says for I in range, and this is just the length of your X list, so you can just put len X. And now I'm going to say And now I'm just going to denote a variable that dictates what calculation I want to be done on my X list. So basically, if I want to square all the values in X, for example, I'm going to say X of I star star 2, which basically means X of I squared. So this will basically square each and every value in this list of X. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to append my empty list Y with this calculation A. So basically now if I print my list Y, as you can see, this calculation has been performed to each item in my X list, and it's given to me in my Y list. And yeah, that's basically it, you guys. You can basically replace this with any calculation, essentially. Let's just maybe cube this. And if we do that, as you can see, it just returns the cube of my numbers in my X list. And yeah, that's it. If you wanted to know how to perform calculations on a list in Python, this is the easiest way I know how. And if you know of another way, then leave a comment below and make sure to subscribe for more videos.